Hi, and welcome to the Jersey Friendly Plant Database. This is a quick tutorial to help you understand the basic features and functions of the plant database and how to search for plants. I'm going to show you the basic search filters over here on the right, but I just want to real quickly say that you can search the plant database without signing or registering, but if you would like to actually save your plant database, you might want to register or sign in. So let's get started here. So all your search filters are over here in the right-hand column, which is titled Search for Plants. And what you're going to be doing is selecting both region and planting conditions and plant type based on the needs of your individual yard or property. And as you select the filters, what you'll be doing is actually narrowing down the list to those that you really want or need. So I'm going to start out, I actually am based in southern New Jersey, so I'm going to start out by selecting the coastal plain part of New Jersey, which is this yellow section here. I'm going to start there, and as I make selections, your list on the left is actually changing. So the more narrow your search becomes, you'll see that these the plant list over here on the left is also changing. So I'm actually going to search for perennial flowers. And I want, for my property, I want native plants only. So I'm going to select native, yes. And we do have a lot of deer in our area, so I'm also going to select plants that have high deer resistance. And the number here shows you how many are in the coastal plain region that are native, that have high deer resistance. So there's actually only 21 perennial flowers. So I'm going to select that, and then you'll see the list that has built out for me here on the left. Now, if you want to learn more about each plant, you can click on the title for the plant, and it will give you a detail screen with additional detail images or all of the detail information about that plant, so you can determine if it's the right plant for your yard. And if you're uncertain about what some of these things are, such as soil pH, physiographic region, salt tolerance, you can click on this question mark here, and it's going to open another page that has all of those specific parameters about the plants actually explained. Now, I'm already signed in here, so I'm going to show you just how you can add a plant to your list. And you do that, it's fairly simple. If I want to add this plant to my list, I click on the wheelbarrow icon here, and you'll see that it changed. And that means it's now in my personal plant list. So one of the other things you can do is if you want to search for a specific plant in the database, either within the parameters of the plant list that you've created here, you can type in either a full scientific name or a partial scientific name. I'm going to type this name here, Caltha, and you'll see that it then narrows the list down to any species with that particular name. In this case, within my list, there was only one. So I hope that gives you some idea of how to use the plant database. Again, if you want to save your plants, you can register or sign in, and once you have created a plant list, you can then view your plant list, and then you can also print out your plant list. So we hope you have fun with this, we hope you share it with your friends, and we hope you learn something about Jersey-friendly plants. Thank you.